Hey engineers, let me hit you with a fun fact. The same kind of controller that keeps your drone rock solid in the air? It also helps rockets get off the ground, and even keeps your air conditioner humming at the right temperature. It's called a PID controller, short for proportional, integral, and derivative. But here's where things get wild. We're not just tuning these controllers by hand anymore. Now, artificial intelligence and machine learning are stepping in, and they're tuning the controllers for us. First, a quick refresher. A PID controller is like a super smart thermostat. It's always tweaking things to nail a target value, whether that's speed, temperature, or position. It does this using 3 terms. P is for proportional. It reacts to what's wrong right now. I is for integral. It remembers all the mistakes you made before. D is for derivative. It tries to guess what mistakes you're about to make. Get the right mix, and your system is fast, stable, and precise. But here's the catch. Tuning those gains, KP, Chi, and KD, is like trying to tweak a race car to go fast without crashing. It's tricky, takes time, and every system is different. Traditionally, I'd use trial and error, or some classic tuning method like Ziegler-Nichols. But what happens when your system changes? Maybe your drone faces a gust of wind, or a robot arm starts to wear out. Suddenly, your picture-perfect controller is out of tune. Wouldn't it be awesome if your controller could learn from the real world, adapt instantly, and tune itself on the fly? Enter AI and machine learning. Let me break down the top 3 ways AI is taking over PID tuning. First up, neural network-based PID tuning. Imagine a neural network watching your system, learning how each value of KP, Chi, and KD affects performance. It predicts the best settings for any situation. Think of a car suspension that gets softer or firmer in real time. AI is calling the shots. Number 2. Fuzzy logic plus PID, or as the cool kids say, neuro-fuzzy systems. Fuzzy logic lets you go beyond hot and cold. You get a little warm, kinda chilly, you name it. Then, a neural network refines those fuzzy rules automatically. This is huge in things like factory temperature controls and smart braking systems. Number 3. Reinforcement learning, or RL for short. Here, the AI is like a rookie learning to drive. It tweaks the PID gains, watches what happens, and gets a reward for keeping things stable. Over time, it can outtune even a pro engineer, all by itself. And this isn't science fiction. AI-tuned PIDs are already stabilizing drones in unpredictable winds, making chemical plants safer, and letting robots gently grip eggs without smashing them. These systems are self-learning and self-optimizing. That's a huge leap from the old days of fixed tuning. So what's next? Picture factories where every machine fine-tunes itself, or electric cars that auto-optimize their own motors. We're racing toward a future where AI doesn't just follow the rules, it writes them in real time. To wrap it up, PID controllers are the backbone of automation. With AI, they're evolving from obedient rule followers into predictive, intelligent decision makers. Next time your drone hovers perfectly, or cruise control feels buttery smooth, remember, there might be a little AI magic quietly tuning that PID in the background. If you got value out of this, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and drop a comment. Would you trust an AI with your car's brakes? Let's talk.